Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning. Today we are working on the RS3's rear suspension. We've got some MSS Race Sport something or other adjustable springs. My assistant here is grabbing in a moment. As you can see here, it's a two-part spring system, helper spring, and then this is what actually takes the load of the car. So under full droop, this allows the spring to not come loose.
Some of us call that a dual rate spring, but well, typically, this is one rate and it's another rate, hence the dual rate. At least that's my interpretation.
Did you twist this? So, to get started, the first thing we'll do is use our impact on these 18mm bolts on the bottom of the arm. Well, first we're going to take the bottom shock, the bottom bolt out of the shock. So that is 18mm. As you can see, Charlie just went ahead and pounded that bolt through of the bottom shock. You can also use the jack to sort of relieve the load on that bolt. We'll do the same thing for the outer bolt on the arm here. Plug your ears, everybody. Oh, we should pop the ride height. So
I did.
Oh, you did?
I did.
So there's a little
Long bolt, shock, short bolt.
on the outer.
Just we're on the same page.
And then we'll come under here and show you the ride height sensor thing.
Very important right here. I popped that off with just a pliers. I just used a pair of pliers. All right, we got to remove the sway arm bolt.
Sway arm end link.
Pretty straightforward. Those are a couple 13s. My assistant could maybe lower the jack a little bit. Oh, got it.
Oh wow, she came out super easy this time.
Yep.
So now that we've got the outside bolt off, the shock bolt off, and the suspension arm bolt off, and the ride height sensor off, we lower this puppy down. Woo! That's why we disconnected the ride height sensor. Pull that spring right out of there.
We learn from experience.
And then we put these guys in here, pre-adjusted, mind you. And then there's a little notch that this sort of stops on. There's a little stopper in here. We'll want to get a shot of that, of course. So as you can see, there is a thing right there. You want to make sure the end of the coil rests up against that. So like that. So now just compress everything until the holes line up and kind of reverse the order. We'll do the sway bar end link first. Down.
Yeah.
Fun fact of the RS3 in the US, they had to add this little piece because apparently there's a rule on the tire being outside the fender on a production vehicle. This means the fender is now wider than the outside of the tire. The end link bolt is a 13mm.
Just reversing our steps, putting those bolts back in. Short one goes where?
On the outside.
That's quite a tool. Where did we get that tool from?
This? Is Bosch lithium-ion 18 volts. Rated up to like 900 foot-pounds. You can find it at your local Menards if you live in the Midwest.
Online, if not.
And if you don't live in the Midwest, you can order it online at www.menards.com/hardwaylearning.
At certain times, some restrictions apply.
We will be torquing these bolts to around 90 foot-pounds.
Kind of why 90 foot-pounds?
I did a little rough calculation in my back of the envelope sort of thing, and that just seemed to be the right number to go with. We tried 120 and it...
Kyle can't 120. He looks strong, not so much. You can see this is a relatively easy change once you know what to do.
Probably look it up somewhere.
Probably look up a lot of stuff with this, but do what everybody else does. Check out the internet. There we go.
All right, everything but you cranked on the sway bar link. So as usual, be sure to like, subscribe, share if you enjoyed the content. There's gonna be more here. There's gonna be more on the Miata, and there's gonna be a road rally coming up, as well as an IndyCar video. Although I don't know if I'm gonna release that before or after this video, and then potentially a NASCAR video. So we'll talk to you later. Keep learning the hard way.